Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Leadpages for LinkedIn lead capture, full guide step by step clearly. Open your internet browser and navigate to the Leadpages website. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill in the required fields to create your account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Select a pricing plan that suits your needs. You may start with a free trial if available or choose a monthly or annual subscription. After choosing a plan, click Continue or Next to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Leadpages. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using the credentials you just created. You will be directed to the Leadpages dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the Create New Landing Page button. Browse through the templates available and select one that aligns with your goals. Once the template is open, customize it with your business branding and logo. Add relevant fields for lead capture, such as name, email, and phone number. Include a clear call to action button, prompting users to submit their information. Integrate your LinkedIn account within the Leadpages settings. To do this, navigate to the Integrations section in the Settings menu. Find LinkedIn and click on the Integration option to connect your account. Authorize Leadpages to access your LinkedIn profile. Return to your landing page editor to finalize any adjustments as needed. After completing the design and settings, click on the Publish button. Choose your desired domain options or connect a custom domain if necessary. Once your page is live, share the link on your LinkedIn profile or through direct messages. Monitor the performance of your lead capture form through the Leadpages Analytics dashboard. Regularly check for new leads gathered from your LinkedIn efforts. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your landing page for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.